Welcome to Ishatech Graphics Academy. Today I'm going to be showing you something intriguing, something never seen before when it comes to Pixellab. Today I'm going to be showing you two apps that you need to have in your Android phone that will help you in beautifying and making graphic design with your smartphone more easier for you. The first app I'm going to be showing you is called Vivid. This particular app helps you in enhancing your image, giving your image the best quality before using it in your design. The second app I'm going to be showing you today is called Background Eraser. This particular app helps you in removing background from any image at all. If you don't like the background and you want to use another background for your image, this particular app helps you in removing this background. Let's get into today's business, and please support us by commenting, subscribing, sharing, and liking this video. Now what we do, we'll go to Play Store in your Android phone. Let me search for Play Store. This is my Play Store. So the first app we are going to be downloading now is called Vivid. I have it here already, Vivid. This is the app. My own is showing open because I have it already in my smartphone. Yours will be showing install. So you install it to your phone. It's as simple as that. You just click on install, it will install into your phone. The second app is called Background Remover. Search for Background Eraser. Background Eraser. Now this is the particular app. I have it here already. It is showing open. Your own will be showing install. So you install it into your phone. These two apps will make graphic design in your smartphone more easier for you. The first one will enhance your image. The second one will remove any background from your image. Now let me show you how this particular app works. Now I'm going to start with the first one, which is Vivid. I'm using the free version. You can pay for it. It's a good app. Come to this place, all image. Let's go to download. Let me just go to download and search for any image here. Now I'm going to download this. Now I want to enhance the quality of this image. Now you have seen the image here. You see the quality. I'm going to increase the quality, enhance the quality of this image. All you need to do is to press on this enhancer, HD enhancer. You just you wait for it. The app is going to give you the best quality of your image. Please be patient. Then you press OK. Have you seen it? Have you seen the quality of the image? After downloading it, you go to Background Eraser. Don't forget, you want to use it for your design and you don't need that particular background. You have increased the quality of the image. Now you want to remove the background. You go to Background Eraser. Click here. So look for, this is our image. As soon as you click on the image, it will remove the background. As simple as that. Have you seen it? Now, in 1 minute, we have enhanced our image and remove the background. Then you just download it, you save it, and get it ready for your Pixellab design. Just look for our image, go to look at it here. This is our image. Okay, so that is how you remove the background from your image and also enhance the quality of your image before you use it in your design. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in our next tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Ishatech Graphics Academy.